As I look at you today, Jenna, I can't help but reflect over the years of, you know, how lucky I was to watch you grow into the beautiful woman that you are today and the beautiful person that you are. You captured my heart from the day you were born. I'll never forget that moment. And every day, I'm in more and more awe of you and the person that you've become. You're my little girl, my angel, my all-American girl, and you always will be. So everyone, please raise your glasses and join me in congratulating Jenna and Ben and wishing them all the best and a lifetime of love and happiness.
I'd like to thank you all for coming tonight to celebrate the love that has become #BecomingBenna. There comes a time in everyone's life where they meet the one they love, their soulmate. And for Ben, that day came 25 years ago, the day I was born. I remember meeting Jenna for the first time and thinking, wow, Ben, please don't mess this up. Little did I know that their relationship would blossom and Ben would ask for her hand in marriage. And what we see here today is two freaking awesome people. Ben, Jenna is great, kind, smart, compassionate. Please love her every day like it was your last day on earth. Jenna, just feed Ben. That's all you need to do. Here's to the happy couple, Ben and Jenna.
For the past 6 years, I've gotten to know Ben better. And now I know that there is no one I would rather Jenna spend the rest of her life with. I've seen how happy Jenna and Ben are together, and I know they will continue to make each other so happy for the rest of their lives.
I couldn't handpick a better guy for my little girl. Maybe if you were a civil engineer in lieu of a mechanical engineer, roads and bridges. But seriously, and you know, one thing I'll never forget about you was the day you called me when you asked for my daughter's hand. And you know, it just spoke to me about the quality of person you are, and I couldn't be more happy for my daughter. Honestly, I wish the best for both of you. You're a great guy, and welcome to the family.
You might know that one of the many reasons that Jenna came down here to attend UT Knoxville, other than the weather, was because she was looking for a school with a good football team. Instead, she found Ben. Or they found each other. And we couldn't be happier. Well, I guess we could have been happier if she had found a school with a good football team.